4 LPG सिलेंडर आसले ते गॅस कटिंगाचें काम चालू आसलें भितर. सो ताका लागून ते LPG यूज करता म्हणून तेंच्यांनी आमकां इन्फॉर्म केलें आनी टोटल आमकां एक 10,000 लिटर उदक घातलें. बट भायर हेडफोन्साचे 20% आपयले आनी आतां टोटल आमच्या कामाक 20 लोक आनी भायर 4 ऑफिसर. सो टोटल ते स्क्रॅपाचो व्हॅल्यू अजून हे करूना. सो तेचे
we are going to register a fire accident case and an inquiry will be initiated. We see 4 cylinders wherein 2 have been destroyed totally. The cylinder blast for the people gathered around. That will be inquired into. The fire department would be taking the custody of the cylinders and to assess the exact cause of fire and the blast and whether the same are allowed to be used for commercial purpose.
So any casualty happened?
So far, no any casualties have been reported, and if reported, we will intimate.
So any specific reason for the blast?
That fire brigade staff are there at the spot. So after their complete inquiry and their total report, we can come to a conclusion.